There's Quinny out in the deep snow of Georgia. Probably 5 or 6 inches. Kara wants to get out there too. Kara, you gonna go out there and play in the snow? I have a snowsuit for you. You gonna go out and play in the snow? Is that your brother? Quinny, say hi to Kara. That's your brother? Let's take a look at all the snow. Let's look. Caden's still sleeping. Yeah, look at the chairs and the railing and the birdhouse, the backyard. I think Brianna already got a video of this, but not from inside, probably. All the snow.
Look at the birds.
Kara, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.